So as a little project over the holidays, I thought we'll try and remake the famous game Cookie Clicker. So you've got some code to start you off. So I'll go through this code first, and then we'll start by making the basic game work. So we've got a function here called Cookie Clicked. This will run when our button's pressed, and we'll get to that just a bit later. We've got a basic Tkinter window, so this will be teaching and going back through a bit of Tkinter, as well as going through some threading, which was part of your thinking concurrently. And then we've got two frames. We've got our left side, so we're setting up a frame there, remembering that a frame is literally just another window that we can sort of add stuff to. And then add a label to that, and that will literally just have the text that tells us how many cookies we've got. And we're packing that to the top. And it's going to fill all of the X, so all the way along the top where it's possible to fill. And then we've got a button. This is going to be our main button that we're going to click. And then if we scroll across, it's got a command called Cookie Clicked, which will run our function at the top anytime this button's pressed. So that's our left frame. Our right frame, again, we've got one frame here, and we've just attached a single button to it. We're adding some more stuff to it here, but this is an example of an upgrade that we could add. And this one's going to be an auto clicker, so something that will click for us. And at the moment, I've added a command for you, but it just uses the same command. Obviously, we want to change that. It's got a bit of text. So you're probably curious what happens when we run this. So let's run the code. This is what we've got. So we've got our cookies at the top. We've got click for a cookie, does nothing. And we've got the auto clicker, buy for 100, again, does nothing. So we need to actually start adding some code to this. So for this first video, we're going to make it so we can actually click and get a cookie. So we need to first set up a global variable that we're going to use throughout the program called cookies, and it's going to be equal to 0 because that's how many cookies we're going to start with. We're then going to go into this function here, and first we're going to call our global cookies, just to say that when we're using a variable, we want to be using this global cookies, not creating a new cookies. And we're going to say cookies plus equals 1, which is just the same as doing cookies equals cookies plus 1, like that. So that's the first thing we can do. And then what we want to do is take our label, which is called cookie count. So let's copy that to make sure we've got the exact same spelling of it. And then we're going to do configure text equals cookies equals, and then we're going to add our string of cookies. And this will tell us how many cookies we've got every time we've clicked on it. So before we do anything, let's run that. Always run your code as much as possible, and that way if there's any mistakes, it's easier to find out where they are. Now you see I've got invalid syntax. Anytime you get invalid syntax on a line that was working before but isn't now, probably means it's something you've changed further up. So it's probably this line here, and it's probably to do with a bracket. Yep, so we've created a bracket for string, but we've not closed our bracket for configure. So we'll just run that again now. And then we've got it. We'll click for a cookie, and it will start going up every time we click. Again, this button's attached to the same thing, so this will just do the same every time we click. So we're going to make one more change to our program before we move on to the next video. And I just want to set up a quick variable called clicker amount, clicker multiplier, whatever you want to call it. And we'll just call it 1. And then we're just going to make it so our clicker amount is how much we're increasing each time. That way, if we buy an upgrade later on and we can double how many times we click, that would then become 2. And then every time we click on the button, we get 2 cookies at a time. So we're already starting to look at how we can try and build some of these upgrades into our game.